let me know how you can say na wala kaming pakialam sa human rights when everything we did was for people's human rights, di ba? So, I understand, hindi dapat may EJK. Magkakampi tayo doon. But you refuse to see that because sa mind mo, Duterte lang ang demonyo. So, yun nga ang problema, di ba? So, on one hand, you have a Philippines that is nearing a narco state where the streets are not safe, when all kinds of corruption, tanimbala, kung ano-ano nangyayari, and you did not want to deal with that. Kailan ko sinabi na kulang pa yung patay, I always said that every life is valuable. Ang punto po dun sa mga nagsasabi kay Duterte na, ikaw ba, binigyan mo ba sila ng due process? So inaamin nyo na hindi nyo siya bibigyan ng due process. Di ba? Pati yung sinasabi mo, happy ako nung kinulong ka. You know, magkaibigan tayong personal di ba? You know in your heart, I always hate the sin but never the sinner. I never prayed, I never smiled, I never was happy na sa nangyari sa inyo, and nor did I pray for it. You know that in your heart, but still yung anger ang pinauuna mo ngayon.